know English grammar and vocabulary, but still you cannot speak in English fluently. The real problem is you are still thinking in your native language. So today I'll share with you 5 easy and simple tips and tricks to how to think in English. But before starting the video, hey there, I'm Rubia and welcome back to my channel English with Ruby. Today is the day 25 of my 30-day English speaking challenge. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 easiest tips to think in English and to make yourself fluent in English. So, the first one, stop translating into your native language. Yes, a lot of people out there who first think in their mother tongue, then try to translate the sentence or the word in English. So what you have to do, you have to directly think in English. Okay, this is first one. The second one, you have to name everything around you in English. For example, you are inside your home, right? And there are so many things around you. Like there can be a table, a chair, a fan over your head. So you have to name those things in English. You can say that there's a table, there's a book on this table, the fan is hanging over my head. So in this way you can name everything around you. Like now I'm on our roof, right? And there's sky above my head. There are some houses behind me, right? And it's drizzling right now. So in this way you have to name everything in English. Okay, this is second one. The third and most effective one, talk to yourself. Yes, it sounds crazy, right? And it sounds funny that you can think that how can I talk to myself? But this is very important to make yourself fluent in English. You can talk to yourself on any topic, or you don't need any topic to talk to yourself. You can simply stand in front of the mirror and you can start talking to yourself. You can say that I'm feeling happy today. I have done the works I planned, or like I want to achieve these things in my life. Like this way you can talk to yourself. Okay, so talking to yourself is very important and very necessary to become a good speaker. Or suppose you are doing household chores, you are doing the dishes, you have to talk to yourself that right now I'm doing the dishes, right now I'm sweeping the room, I'm folding the clothes. In this way you can talk to yourself, and this is very important. I still do. I still talk to myself every single day. Whenever I do some works, I try to talk to myself. Okay, this is third one, right? This is third one, yeah. The fourth one. The fourth one is listen every single day. Before speaking, you have to start listening. Listening plays a significant role in becoming a good and fluent English speaker. I listen to podcast or I listen to English videos every single day, and I try to copy the speaker, or yeah, try to copy the speaker. I receive so many comments about my pronunciation and my accent. People ask me how your pronunciation and accent is so smooth and so clear. So I practice. Like the secret is I practice every day. I try to copy native speakers. I listen to every single day. Maybe these would be the reason of my clear pronunciation, right? So you also have to practice every single day. This is fourth one. Yeah, this is fourth one. The fifth one is the fifth one is try to make small sentences. If you are a beginner, then don't try to make long sentences first. First, try to make small sentences. For example, you can say, I'm happy, thank you, how are you, Yeah, in this way you can talk to yourself, like in this way you can create small sentences. I like, I like my dress, I like my personality, I like to eat ice cream. Yeah, in this way you can make small sentences, and these sentences are very easy, right? So yes, you can think that this is a very easy thing, how can I think in English like this way? But no, these are the first steps which you can take to make your brain think in English. Yeah, so these are the 5 easiest tips and tricks. You can follow them, and you can practice English every single day by using these tips and tricks. These are really helpful, believe me. When I was a beginner, I used to do these kind of, like, I used to follow these kind of tips, and I made myself fluent like in this way. I know that I'm not still so fluent. I'm trying every day. I'm listening, I'm trying to read. So in this way I'll be able to become a fluent English speaker one day, right? You can also become a fluent English speaker if you practice daily, if you listen regularly, and if you speak regularly. And always remember, speaking is the most important part to learn any language. If you don't speak, you will never be able to become a good speaker, right? So you have to speak. And listening is the most important, in my opinion, in my point of view. Listening really helps to become a good speaker. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. If, then let me know in the comments, and also you can tell me on which topic I can make the next video. Like in which areas you have confusion or doubts, I can clear them. Okay? So yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you on day 26. Till then, bye.